2 years of unprecedented violence in northern Nigeria, terrorizing families, spreading fear throughout the region, causing a massive humanitarian crisis. Over 1 million people displaced. More than 100,000 have fled to Niger. As many as 74,000 have sought refuge in Cameroon. At least 18,000 to Chad. The greatest toll? The legacy of trauma they live with. 10-year-old Ibrahim's father was killed as he watched. Then they turned on him, cutting his head open with a machete and burying him alive. His sister found him and carried him to safety. Ibrahim is recovering, even attending school, but his life will never be the same.
Sosai ma ya canja. Abin da ya sha ya gani da idon shi. Kuma a karshe shi din ne yana bani hakuri ma. A karshe wahalan da ya sha. Shi da bakin shi ya faɗa cewa mama ki hakuri. Ba abin da ya fi Allah.
Across the region, more support for refugees is desperately needed. In Minawa camp in Cameroon, more schools, new shelters, clean water. Near Lake Chad, for the thousands of Nigerian refugees there, more food and basic necessities. In Niger, one of the poorest countries in the world, assistance to bear the burden of tens of thousands newly arrived refugees. Countries of asylum, faced with their own threats, continue to offer refuge. The refugees doing what they can to help themselves, taking in children without parents.
Sa damuwa ai ko yanzu bayan da za su yi ne tunda dai ni yanzu ne suke gani da idon su za su kwantar da zuciyarsu.
Opening their homes to those without, sharing what little they have. They need a future. They need your support.